All right, 150cc GY6 engine muffler stud replacement. I gotta replace those damn bolt studs. So I've been using this thing right here, and I've been gripping it little by little, and I like such. Let's see if you can get a good view of it. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. So get that little thing right there. Sure you get as much as you can get out of it, because that broke, so I need to get that out and replace it. And squeeze. And squeeze. Got it. Okay. Now, get up in that little sucker right there. And you get that little sucker to spin. Get right there. And you get it to spin. All the way. And just little by little, keep pulling it out that way. Take it back off. You've got to take it back off. And got to do it again. Over here. That. Just like that. Squeeze. Just like that. Make sure the tip of the pliers, you want to make sure that that tip of the pliers, that it grabs hold of that stud. Make sure. Because if not, you're going to have a harder time getting it out. Okay, and get it, spin. You kind of stripped it a little bit before it started spinning. Yeah, right there, stop spinning. Okay, it's spinning a little bit more. Alright, you gotta keep going like that and keep on going to get it all the way out. Spin it, and you gotta twist that motherfucker. Okay, so you get it, just grab it, you twist it. But since it's that diagonally, you want to make sure not to scrape up your block, and don't fuck up anything else, because these things are big, so you gotta go little by little. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me turn on the flashlight right quick. Alright, there it goes. Alright, so you see right there. Alright, and you just spin the motherfucker. See, you gotta kind of like twist it at the same time. Like give it a good twist and a pull, because you're diagonal right now. So give it a good little twister. Okay, see? There it goes. That's all that went. So you just gotta keep doing it like that, little by little. Little by little. Take your time. Remember, these things require special tools and experienced people. So, but it's still lefty loosey, righty tighty. You just need something to grip onto that stud right there, so that you can spin it, so that you can twist it. Twist the left, loosen it up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Unless you want to get an extractor, and then you got to drill a hole, and then all that other extra stuff. I got the extractor, I just ain't got a small enough drill bit to drill the hole to throw the extractor in. And I don't have a lot of experience using extractors, and those things really suck. I've tried to use them, they just keep stripping, and I cannot get the bolt out anyways. So you just want to get something like this vice grip, and just pull that motherfucker out. Keep little by little. See, here I go again. If you can see me. That one right there. Get it again. Grab that motherfucker again, because it is going to be hard. It is going to be tight. Slip it on again. can see this right here. Okay, that motherfucker, and twist. Little by little. It's all the way out. Alright, almost got it off. I am now at the point where I can use the little ones again. Suckers on there. Get these suckers on here. Let me see right quick. Alright. Now I got a wider radius to turn. And just pull. Just keep on going. Yeah, now it's like loose now. Yeah, that's where we want to be. So now it's already loose. I can finish taking it out. Baby pliers. Finish off the job. I don't think I even have to lock them on. I just gotta grab it tight. Oh look, it's already loose. You just gotta keep on going. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Whoop. Over there. Yay, we got it off. Wish I was just Harry Potter and just be like, unfortunately, I'm just Carlos. Finally got a stud out, so we can get the other one and put it in once we get that other one out. So, because we might as well go ahead and change it. So I went ahead and cut it because I grinded it because I stripped it. So I kind of grinded it a little bit. Yeah. Anyways, they need two ones, so this one's next. This one should be a lot easier though, because that one has a lot to play with. This one had like that much to play with. Now that got a lot. So you see in the beginning of the video. But yeah, 150cc. Ugh, a little rusty in there, huh? Carb cleaner. Yeah. And if you did have a new one, you would just put that sucker on. Uh-oh. I'm trying to look at the camera and do it. You would just put the new one back on. Tighten it up to specified torque. You don't want to over torque these. Anything with the small screw, like thin, you don't want to torque too much because it will snap, it will break. That's what happened with this. I torqued it too much while it was hot, like a dumbass, and it just broke. Yep. That's your engine without a muffler.